Anime but you like ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು who are these your father
I hate anime.
you hate anime
Cartoon.
like cartoons
It should be originally created in Hindi. Kamu Kamu no. It's one of the greatest thing.
like cartoons.
you don't like cartoons okay
They should be made in India.
इतना सिंपल भी नहीं था.
या तो
पहले परमिशन
हाँ चालू तो किया ना तूने
हाँ चलो
excuse me can I ask you some questions no sorry do you know what is this what are these any idea
Naruto bro
oh you seen anime
yeah very bad at it
have you ever seen this do you know about them don't know like, you have no idea have you ever heard about anime no thank you
This animation
animation like
Animation.
more specific
is Suzuka. This one Doraemon.
no no no
I don't know
you have any idea about what are these
No, I don't.
have you ever heard about anime
yeah I do.
anime what do you think anime is
I don't know
you don't know this
ಏ ನೀನೇ ಕಣ ಆನಿಮೆ ನೋಡಲೇ.
oh you know anime huh you don't watch never you know about anime you know anything about them
Anime Kakashi.
anime you know about
Yes.
anime have you ever seen animes
Yes, I have seen.
have you heard about anime
Yeah.
you what is anime like you know what is anime
Cartoon like
cartoons
cartoon be more specific you don't know these are actually anime have you ever heard about it
yeah
you heard about it what do you think about anime okay no problem do you watch anime
full watching real life cartoons
this is Naruto
yeah
the full grown version
version yeah
what and all animes you have seen right now
I'm not interested in anime
you're not interested then how you know about anime
I mean I just saw like few episodes of Naruto
oh did you like it
yeah it's
Liked
nice I mean but it's too much action
Yeah, I mostly watch for Doraemon and Pokemon.
Doraemon
Yeah,
like which is the most watched anime
I like Doraemon.
Doraemon shonen animes you don't watch like Naruto One Piece and all
No.
you don't watch you don't watch whatever animes you have seen
Naruto, Demon Slayer, One Piece.
oh then you are an anime weeb fan
Yeah.
okay
I watched Death Note.
Death Note
Only Death Note.
Only few.
you liked it
It's awesome.
awesome right would you recommend it
Of course.
okay.
For starters of anime, they should
even that's my
definitely
first
watch.
anime
Yes,
even
yes,
that's my first
like cartoons
you don't like cartoons okay
I don't watch any
what's your opinion on anime
it's nice I mean it gives a lot of life lesson
When I am going for like depression mode, so I'll watch for animation cartoon characters, so I'll feel happy for that.
okay child animations
Uh-huh.
basically child anime what do you think about anime
It's one of the greatest thing. Everyone should stop watching Bollywood and all and just come into anime. I'm just
like
saying
that's
it.
true
That's 100%. You serious? Kamu Kamu no.
you see
Yeah.
you prefer dub or sub
I prefer sub.
you prefer
Yeah.
okay you prefer original voice
Yes, true.
Yeah.
Correct.
have क्या बोलना था वो? What do you think should anime be made in India in Indian versions
yeah maybe
maybe anime should be brought in India or no
Yeah, it should be brought. I think there are some reels where they'll be playing anime videos in mall and they'll be screaming, right? I've seen it in Instagram reels.
but there
I
are
don't know-
dubs but there are dubs
That's
but no
sub.
no
Yeah,
sub.
correct.
No.
It should be brought.
yeah no original characters in India
Yeah.
basically
I just heard some Madara speaking in Hindi. Okay,
Yeah,
that was
that
too
is
good.
true, that is too good,
That
that
was
is
too good.
Yeah.
I think it should be brought here. Then we can actually experience that thing.
Running,
Yeah,
right
in
now.
Hindi it's running,
Yeah.
but the thing is, it should be originally created in Hindi. Then that would be different.
okay that would be too great
Yeah.
Sure.
sure
Why not?
what type of anime would you like to be made in India Anime
What
characters.
form? Just stick with what actually anime is. Don't mix it with anything else because anime is what it is. Again, don't mix it don't do it like Bollywood or something.
but if we made anime it will be completely in Japanese form so there will be no Indian recognition
You can add some tweaks. You understand?
Like for children starters like Doraemon and all there, like they should be made in India.
have you ever heard about hentai
no
no have you ever heard about hentai
And no,
hentai you know hentai you know have you ever seen hentai
No. Yeah.
but you know about it you know about it
Naruto.
Oh, anime. You watch anime?
No, I hate anime.
You hate anime?
I hate anime.
What do you think about anime?
Like kind of cartoonish.
Cartoonish.
Yeah.
Like, what is the main thing you hate about anime? A specific reason?
I just don't enjoy it.
You don't enjoy it. Have you? Do you know about hentai? By any chance?
No.
You don't know about it.
बस फुटेज इतना ही नहीं था, और भी बहुत लोग थे, लेजिट कम से कम और 10 लोग थे, लेकिन मैंने ज़्यादा लोगों को लाइक काट दिया बिकॉज उन लोगों को एनिमे के बारे में एक तो पता नहीं था. इट वॉज नॉट वर्थ इट. सो तुम लोगों का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहता था. सो बस इतना ही था आज की वीडियो के लिए. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Do you know about them? Excuse me? You know about them? Please. So, please, sir. Who are these?
ಬ್ರೋ ಬಿಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ, ಫೋನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬಿಡಿ ಬ್ರೋ. ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ
ನೋಡೀಗ ಮತ್ತೆ
ಇವ್ನಿಗೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗೋ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದೆ ಹೇಳು.
ಹೋಗೋ.
ಫೋಟೋ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆನಿಮೆ ಫಟ್ಕಿ.
ये सबसे लास्ट में डालेंगे बस.